Do you want to reconcile your bank accounts? Treasury Software's BankRec makes it easy. BankRec is designed to help you migrate from Excel or your legacy-based reconciliation process. Our easy point-and-click interface makes bank reconciliation, well, almost fun. First, use BankRec's import wizard to bring in your files containing your bank and general ledger data. These files are typically Excel or CSV files saved from your bank's website and from your accounting package. Then match your records by kicking off BankRec's high-speed automated matching engine. Some of the automated matching rules include check-to-check, void-to-issue, alphanumeric matching, as well as a user-defined rule enabling you to match on amount, transaction type, site number, and within a date range. When automated matching is complete, unmatched bank and general ledger items, if any, are available for manual matching. Here in the Unmatched Records report, BankRec doesn't just list unmatched items, it tells you why items didn't match. We do this to save you time and to enable you to focus on high exposure items. You can then identify, track, and resolve exceptions. Other reports include matched, outstanding checklist, and a full reconciliation report. You can run reports for any period and export any report to Excel. Out of balance or never balanced? The first period reconciliation wizard will help you easily get into balance. Have advanced matching needs? Create additional rules in our Site and Type rules. Try BankRec now for 30 days without risk or obligation. No credit card is needed. Start reconciling even before purchasing. Need some help? We make it easy and include full phone support with all subscription licenses. Just give us a call or schedule an online appointment. Thousands of clients already use our software. Download your free, full working 30-day trial now or contact us to schedule a personal demonstration.